For today's tutorial, let me teach you on how to bring back the settings icon on your iPhone. If you accidentally remove the settings app from your home screen, here's how to restore it. First, you can utilize Spotlight Search. Simply swipe down from the middle of the home screen to activate the search function. In the search bar, type settings. The settings app icon should appear in the search results. Once you see it, you have two options. Tap the icon to open the app directly, or if you want to place it back on your home screen, tap and hold the icon, then drag it back to your desired location on the home screen. Once you're done, tap done at the top right corner to save your changes. And that's how you can bring back the settings icon on your iPhone. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.